Hello, hey, future AP Calculus class. So in this section, we're going to be reviewing logarithmic functions and natural logarithmic functions and how to find the derivatives of both of these. Okay, now for the formulas. The formulas are relatively simple and there's no really, you just got to memorize them. Okay, the derivatives of logs. A log with the base a and x equals 1 over ln x times a. This does not really show up too much on the AP exam. But for the next one, the derivative of natural log functions, it equals the derivative of the function u over the function. Pay attention to this because this will appear numerous times on the actual exam as well. Now we're going to solve some relatively simple questions. If you want, you can pause the video and solve them by yourself, but right now we're going to solve them together. Okay. For number 1, what's the derivative of ln 3x plus 4? As you remember, the equation for this equals the derivative of the function over the function itself. So what is the derivative of 3x plus 4? Well, it's simply 3, right? Now we put this over the function, which is 3x plus 4. It's that simple. Okay, for the next one. The next one is a bit complicated, but it just looks intimidating. It is very much solvable. Okay, so now since this function is squared, we gotta see this in a manner of this entire thing just being a function in itself. Okay, now by the chain rule, we're gonna bring down the 2. And we're going to still maintain the function here. And remember, by the definition of the chain rule, since we brought down the 2 here, we have to subtract the power by 1. So it would just be to the power of 1. Now, we're not done here. By the chain rule as well, we got to find the derivative of the inner function. And the derivative of the inner function follows the formula in the previous slide, u prime over u. So with this, we multiply this function by the derivative of ln 2x squared plus 6x. So what is the derivative of 2x squared plus 6x? It's very simple. It's simply 4x plus 6 over the entire function, 2x squared plus 6x. And remember, this entire thing is the answer. So the entire answer is 2 times ln 2x squared plus 6x to the power of 1 times 4x plus 6 over 2x squared plus 6x. Okay, now for the last example. What is the derivative of ln 7x plus 6 times 3x plus 2? Well, you could follow the product rule, but there is an easier way when it comes to the multiplication of different functions within ln. Okay. So, remember that of the various tricks that you can learn, a super valuable one is if a problem appears in this format, ln ab, with each letter representing a different function, this equals ln a plus ln b. The same case occurs for functions that are being divided. ln a over b equals ln a minus ln b. Now to apply this particular format into this particular question. Now let us separate the different functions, okay? So by this definition, we can separate this in the manner of ln 7x plus 6 plus ln 3x plus 2. Now we just need to find the derivative of both of these functions, which equals 7 over 7x plus 6 plus 3 over 3x plus 2. That's the answer.